Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series TWOC Tarmacworks official club members only model MOM. Basically this is the Tarmacworks members only model, and this is a exclusive model made for TWC members, only 2 per year. This is the second one. The first one would be the Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 2, I think, or is it 3? I'm not sure. But that was the first TWC MOM model. This is the second MOM model. And yet, of course, these are only a limited production model and only can be obtainable from those who have this membership with them. And obviously, of course, I got this from Tarmacworks themselves directly from Hong Kong. I bought this from their website. And let's describe the box first here. We do have sort of like this silvery box style at the bottom. On the top, sort of like this carbon fiber sort of design. There's the top, that looks very nice. You have Tarmacworks logo right there. You have your Mercedes right there on the side view right there, and there's the back side again. So Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series TWC members only model. Global 64, there it is. Limited to 1,248 cars worldwide. Scale model 164. On the top of the box you basically have your T logo for Tarmacworks. And at the bottom, TWOC. Here's the side. There's the side view of the car. See, Global 64 AMG GT Black Series matte blue. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Tarmac for good. Tarmacworks. Your licensing right there. Small size, big heart. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series matte blue. Members only model, made in China. There are your socials right there. So let's go ahead and unbox this and let's take a look at the car itself. Many people were interested to know when I got this model, how did it look like, how did it come in, basically the packaging. So basically it is just this long box. And you can see the car inside of the packaging right there. A matte blue AMG GT Black Series, which there is a chase version available. If you do get it, you will be lucky. You would be lucky then. So let's put it on the turntable first for now. Meet the matte blue TWOC MOM exclusive Mercedes AMG GT Black Series right here in front of the camera. Now many of you might not be able to see this like in reality unless if you either one go to basically the Tarmacworks website and basically buy the TWOC membership first, and then you can get access to purchase this car, or two, maybe some of you have been to the US car show, which is the JCCS, Japanese Classic Car Show, where they showcased a ton of great cars as well. And basically this was also on sale there as a TWOC exclusive, I think. And then you had the Formula 1 AMG Black Series that I've done a review of, and I believe the orange one as well. So this one is quite an exclusive yet indeed as well. The dark blue Mercedes AMG GT, which maybe a lot of you will not be able to see, mostly like in person. Only those who had bought this membership can only see and be able to know that this casting exists. And another thing about this, well, the price is quite expensive, since you if you do not have the Tarmacworks Owners Club membership, you might have to buy it at first. in order to be able to purchase this car, which is of course this car is like around what, I think $14 to $15 if I'm not mistaken on the website. And then you need to buy the owner's club car, which is around 35 bucks, which is quite expensive. That would lead up to a total of somewhere between 50 to 60 US dollars, which is quite expensive just to get this, and also the Formula 1 car, which is, I would say, pretty much expensive. I actually have the Formula 1 car with me, but I have not reviewed it yet so far, the Twoc Mercedes Petronas Formula 1. And yet I'm reviewing the Blackseries first, as I have not seen people getting this car yet at all before. Basically, mainly the Blackseries in blue, matte blue here. Now let's take a close look at the car itself and see the gorgeous color right here. So matte blue Mercedes AMG GT Blackseries. Now, well, this is a very dark color, as you can see. On the camera it seems pretty much a nice looking dark blue. I really like it. So yeah, basically the whole car is matte blue. Yeah, pretty much the similar set of rims right here as the other two that I've done a review of. Silver lining right there, the 10-spoke rims, Mercedes, and also the rubber tires right there. We do have the blacked out trim at the bottom right here as well, and also the back and front. You do have your intakes right here on the side, V8 bi-turbo, and then you do have your side mirror right here colored in black, and it's also rubber. The door handle right there, the gas cap right there, if you don't know. Moving towards the front of the car, so obviously you do have your headlight details right here, which are really aggressive. I really like it. Your aggressive looking headlight details right there, very nice. Do have some aggressive looking side intakes at the front right here as well. Your very nice looking detailed grille right here, which are vertical, as you can see. And then your Mercedes logo right there, AMG license plate right there as well. Overall, the front looks great, and I really like it. The extended front splitter right here as well. Moving towards the hood, basically you do have this detail right here where they painted out the hood on both sides, basically is making it a simple effect, of course, on both sides. I believe this is matte also, I think. You have some intakes here as well, matte blue finish on the car as well. Blacked out interior, regular windshield tint, left-hand drive. Moving towards the top, you can see the roof right there. You do have the blacked out roof right here as well. And then yeah, very nice. Here is the side of the car, pretty much simple and very great. I love the color, the design right here on the side. That looks awesome. Really do like it. Let's move on to the back of the car right here. So of course you do have your rear lights right here. You do have your rear spoiler plastic right here, the Mercedes logo in the middle, some brake lights, and of course the AMG license plate right here at the back, with the two exhaust tips on each side, which looks awesome. So here is the bottom of the base, metal base, blacked out color right here. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Blackseries, made in China, Tarmacworks right there. So yeah, overall, the matte blue finished Tarmacworks Owners Club Mercedes AMG GT in the stunning matte blue is just wild compared to the other two that I've done a review of. So yeah, we've basically completed the collection so far. We have another two that are actually coming. So for now, let me just show you first. We have the orange metallic AMG Blackseries, and we have the CrowdStrike red color safety car Blackseries. Then we have the matte blue TWC exclusive Blackseries. The next one would be in a silver sort of color, supposed to be after this one and this one, but then the TWC came up first, so that has been delayed a bit, I guess. And then it should be the yellow one, the Shmi 150 AMG Blackseries, which is quite a favorite for me. I really do like it. When it comes to Shmi and his AMG Blackseries, it is just fantastic. Let's put it back on the turntable so let's see it one more time. The lovely looking AMG Blackseries in matte blue. So yeah, not a bad looking car, I would say. Quite filled with details, of course. Matte blue. Then for you to get this, basically you need a TWC membership. Other than that, it's not possible for you to get this car. So yeah, you better be extra careful and be aware of whether you want to get this car or not. If like it's too how do I say it, if you don't really want it that much, then yeah, it's not really a must. But then if you're a total fan of it, then yeah, I really do recommend you getting one, so that you can complete your collection, I guess, and yeah, have a great time. So yeah, this is a very nice looking model. Quite a fantastic matte blue finish on this car. I really do like it. Let's put it all three right there. Put this in the middle. There you go. There it is. The matte blue AMG GT Blackseries. Once again, of course, now in my collection, of course, other than the AMG GT 3s, now we have AMG Blackseries. So yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Mercedes AMG GT Blackseries colored in matte blue from the Tarmacworks Owners Club exclusive model, the members only model. And yeah, that is all for me to say today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.